Hey everybody, it's Dale with Never Enough Diving, and today I'm going to attempt to show you guys how I change a tire with 10,000 pounds of boat motor and everything else on this trailer. Normally when I get a blowout or something on the highway, when that happens, I look for a curb like really fast, and if I can find one, I don't have to use a jack. If I can't find one, I'll usually use a bunch of wood, and I'll show you what I do with it. It's not easy to find an actual jack that will pick this up. I think I've got a 4,000 pound, 2,000 pound doesn't even touch it. 4,000 pound I think works, but barely. There have been times when I've had to put the truck jack and my portable jack on it to get it up. So I learned how to do this little trick, and I'm going to try to do this in one take and see what happens, see how fast I can do it. Hopefully I get a good view for you guys here. That should work. All right, let's go. Yay! Absolute lifesaver. I probably change 10 to 15 tires a year off this thing, and many of them on the interstate, so takes a bit to break them loose. And I should have done this part before I drove up on there. Woo! That was a rough one. Dogs are on there. This is better for them to be on than. The battery's getting low in here. That's one of the reasons it's taking so long. And that's a relief, because sometimes these rims kind of weld themselves to the trailer, and you have to drive it around to break it loose. But we got this one loose, and it is bald. This one's going to the shop. That bad boy is in bad shape. I'm surprised it didn't blow out. So I am going to go ahead and pause the video here. Well, I'm actually going to just let it run, but I didn't get the spare off the trailer. I usually keep three spares with me, and there have been times I've had to use all three of them. I actually went to the Keys last year. It's about a 300-mile trip one way to get to where we were going, and I changed 5 tires on that trip. 5. And I usually do like put new tires once a year, all 6 new tires. It's a super heavy boat. I do a lot of highway miles, and I go through tires. And And yes, I'm going to be getting new brakes very soon. That didn't take that long. Get them all started. Make sure they're not cross-threaded before I hit them with the impact wrench. If anybody wants to know, this is a half-inch drive. All the battery-powered guys make them. DeWalt's, Milwaukee. I just happen to be a Makita guy. And I got the wrong one. Here we go. Alright, and we're done. Should have started a stopwatch and see where we're at here. Wow. 8 minutes and 7 seconds. So one thing about it, this wheel is not done being tightened. Whenever you do this, you want to drive it for a few miles, maybe 5-10 miles, and you want to hit it again with this, because I have had wheels fall off. The vibration and stuff on these trailers is horrible. I mean, you know what goes on back here on interstate speeds. It's not good. So make sure they're tight, especially if you're going on a long trip. All right, that's it for today. See you next time.